guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl show.
It's your girl Clay.
Alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna go on the road and we're gonna do some grocery shopping. So you all know the usual routine. Please drop a like on the video.
Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and watch the ads.
And make sure that you drop a comment down below, right? Remember to follow me on all socials at rush_Shella. So Zoe is around the next room, me and Chloe are here, so we decided so we're coming here so we can do the intro. So me just come out of the bathroom, bathe and all of that. So me just lock up in the room, turn off the fan, and then we leave out. So let's go.
Bye.
Oi.
Zoe.
Boy, I catch up rags by her shoulder.
Yeah, no, come on, we did all our white.
I know, I'm okay well, see, baby. Yeah, pay attention to baby.
Sure.
Yay! Boogie. I can see it red.
Stop, Chloe, stop.
Alright guys, so the mirror we have so far. We are going to go upstairs to some more things because we're downstairs. Alright guys, so I just take up some of them here for Zoe. Butter kiss biscuit, and this year we know she can drink like lunch. I'm going to try to get her Irish and other stuff differently. We know so she can eat for lunch same way and for dinner. I don't know so I have to eat, right? Yeah. Hello?
Starfish. Starfish.
Thanks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket and I'm gonna change out them silver here. So, and yeah, after, well, we're gonna do grocery shopping first, and then after we do grocery shopping, then I'm gonna change out them here in the supermarket, and then after we come home. So.
I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Alright guys, so we're gonna have ginger beer and fried chicken with pasta for dinner and rice and peas. And so the nice piece of pork that we're gonna have for dinner tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know how I go with pork. I don't know, I love pork bad enough. Yeah. As I don't know, I did buy some money shorts on the road. And me never get to drink it because true me did have Zoe and stuff. So here what? Maybe just put this on the fire, hot it up, and then me drink this and finish eat my food. But me never finish eat. Alright guys, so basically this is the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to leave a like on the video and drop a comment down below. And remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please, I'm asking you to make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell on all, so whenever time I drop a video, you'll get the notification same time. So it's your girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Bye.